Welcome back to Savvy Serena. Today I am doing 5 more things people forget to clean, and I've got the flu in mind because a lot of people are getting sick because of the flu, and so I've got 5 things to kind of help. One is your purse. And if you have a vinyl purse like this one, you can just take a microfiber cloth and wipe it down. Make sure you get the bottom of it really well to clean your purse. If it's fabric, you can throw it in the washing machine and lay it flat to dry. But make sure you look, there might be a care packet, a care label telling you exactly how to clean it. Go by those instructions. But one thing we need cleaned during this flu season is our pocketbooks. Thing on my list is your winter coat. I went to go look to see how to clean my winter coat, and if you look on the inside of your coat, it will be a care label. Sometimes it's up here in the top, or it can be in the bottom. And when I looked at mine said machine wash separate in cold water, gentle setting, and it says hang to dry, which I would probably, it says do not dry clean. Sometimes you have to dry clean your coats, but that is something that we need to do during the winter season. I read an article the other week saying that our winter coats should be washed 3 times during the winter season. These two together, my third and fourth one, I put together. Your stocking hats and your gloves need to be washed on a daily basis. These are actually Texan gloves. These are ones that I got from Dollar Tree. As you can tell, it's already dirty, and I just washed them like a week ago, and they need to be washed again. But the stocking hats, gloves, and scarves, scarves will make my 5th one. I don't wear a scarf because my coat's so thick. But this is something else that we need to wash on a regular basis. And a lot of things, if I'm unsure about it, I have a setting on my washing machine that can go to delicate or hand wash casual. If you're not sure, you can do it on a hand wash if you have it, or you could do it on a delicate. And mine has a time setting, so I know people don't have these kind of washing machines, but that right there is like in between there is like 4 minutes. If I am not sure exactly, or if I don't want to wash it that long but want to wash it, then I'll go in between these two right here and do a hand wash or a delicate cycle just to make sure I don't ruin the item. So I hope y'all enjoyed this. I just figured I would do it because we've got so many people getting sick with the flu that these are things that we are forgetting to wash, especially right now with the flu season going on. So I hope this keeps y'all safe. Make sure you share it with someone so that way they know about it too. Y'all come back now. Y'all here?